Hi everyone, my name is Isla, and today I'm going to talk you through a neat trick you can use to add a border around your pop-up contents with a little bit of HTML. So to start off with, I'm going to prepare the text of my pop-up. I'm going to do this by removing the fields list by clicking the three dots here and selecting delete, and then I'm going to add in a new text section. And in this text section, I'm going to re-add in a couple of my fields. So I'll do this now. I'm just going to say the date is and then use the fields list button to re-add it in. So this is the correct field I want to add. And let's do this again. So the address is, and let's find the correct field to add in. So if I click OK, we can have a look at what this text will look like. And what I want to do is I want to add a border around this text here. So to do this, I'm going to go back into Edit Text, and I'm going to click the Source button. And this is going to let us look at the HTML of my pop-up. Now I'm not going to change anything that's already there. All I'm going to do is move everything down by one line and then insert one line of HTML at the beginning. And this is what that looks like. Now this might look like quite a lot, but all it's saying is that I have a border that's 3 pixels wide, is this hex code, and has 10 pixels of padding around it. So if I click out of the source button, we can have a look at the preview. And if I click OK, we can add it to our pop-up. Now I'm quite happy with this. This looks pretty good, but I do want to adjust it slightly. I want the border to be slightly thicker, and I want to change the green so that it matches the points in my web map. So if I go back into Edit Text and into the source, I'm just going to change this hex code here. And the hex code I want to change it to is A5C43C. And let's change the border pixel width to 5 pixels instead of 3 as well. Now if I click out of the source, we can see the preview, and if I click OK, we can add it to our pop-up. Brilliant, I'm really happy with this. And that's how you can add a border around your pop-up contents with a little bit of HTML. See you next time.